Hi everyone, my name is Nima. I'm head of sales at SM Innovations. We focus on financial services, travel, transportation, and hospitality. In today's demo, I'm going to show you Salesforce's Agent Force that we've actually trained for sales teams. And in our example, we've trained our agent to do multiple actions, including lead scoring, and it takes a number of different factors in the persona that I'm going to walk you through to do lead scoring, lead distribution. It will also give product recommendations to the seller, and it will schedule the meeting. It does so all of this instantaneously. So let's walk through why might you want to consider Salesforce's tool, which is AgentForce, versus all the other plethora of tools that are out there. Well, right off the bat, for those of you who use Salesforce, you know it's very safe. It's in your own organization, and Salesforce does a great job of offering enterprise-grade security. Additionally, you can leverage both AI, so AgentForce, and then invoke all the different automations that you may already be using. So additionally, Salesforce provides updates. They do 3 updates a year, and with AgentForce, they're doing a lot more than that. It's also highly scalable. So in the demo that we're going to show you, the agent has multiple actions that it's been trained on, but we can continue to add more and more actions and automations to that particular agent so that with natural language, you can just ask it to do one job and it'll run off and do a whole bunch of them, or we can add more agents. And additionally, you can have a single source of truth within Salesforce. So with the addition of Data Cloud, Salesforce now enables you to have millions and millions of records all within Salesforce. And then we can run all kinds of models, AI models, all within your single source of truth. So now let's jump to an explanation about what did we train this model on. So one of the sectors we cover is wealth advisory. And so in this world of wealth advisory, our clients were telling us that if a significant event happens, let's just say the Fed raises interest rates, they may need to get on the line pretty quickly. And what we're finding is that even the more senior wealth advisors were taking up to 5 minutes per lead. And as you can see, this will add up quite a bit over the week to about something like almost a third of their week is going through records. Who should I call next? And then, they're also sometimes overlooking crucial factors. So they're looking, they want to know specific things like the person that I'm calling, are they inheriting money? What are their life cycle stages? Are they in, accumulation? Are they looking to preserve wealth, etc.? All that takes a tremendous amount of training and looking through reports. So very, very tedious work. All this leads to very time management inefficiencies. Okay, so the demo we're going to show you in a moment here has been trained on specific criteria that a senior wealth advisor may look through or may already understand and be trained on. Some of those things are, for example, the financial life cycle stage of the client. Again, are they looking to accumulate, preserve their wealth, distribute? What are the behavioral patterns previously? Were they doing stocks, bonds, crypto, whatever it was? Even little nuances that the human eye may, not be looking out for, such as are generational wealth opportunities. Are they going to inherit money? What are the different market trends and how's that going to factor things in like taxes, regional economic signals, real-time adjustments, and ESG interests? And so all of this is trained, the model is trained on all of this to do it instantaneously, far more accurately on millions and millions of records. And then in addition to that, it does a number of other actions as well. So let's jump into the demo and we'll show you how all this is happening instantaneously. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a specific example. Let's just say that interest rates dropped here and we want to know, show me a few high scoring leads and then, people who want to preserve their wealth. And so this agent is trained on all of that logic that we mentioned beforehand. And in this example, some of the wealth advisors that we talked to had millions of past clients that they could go out to and call, but they needed to be quick because they're especially the senior sellers that we interviewed, their schedules are packed. Okay, and here we go. We've got a few examples, and we'll go ahead and we see that this person at the bottom here, Benjamin, has a good score, and he's a good candidate to call. So rather than thinking of, okay, should I do stocks, bonds, etc., let's just ask this agent that's already trained on knowledge articles that we trained it on, investment styles that our company may use already, past performance. It can look up their portfolio that they already have. If you link this up with Financial Services Cloud, which just got released as well, we can even include third-party tools to ingest the data through Data Cloud. And so let's go ahead and ask it, what should I recommend to Benjamin? And then just draft an email and let's get the meeting started. And so all of this would have taken, you can just think about it, even at the highest skilled wealth advisor who knows everything in terms of the company's investment style, that's still 5, 10, 20 minutes doing all this. And here you go. I've got an example of 3 ideas based on what this was trained on. Now, this is just a sample. You can, again, train it on unlimited number of records. But in this example, we know since Benjamin is looking to preserve wealth, you may want to recommend government bonds, blue chip stocks, money market funds. And we've also got an email drafted here that, of course, we can adjust if we need to, or just send it out, and it specifically said the time on Tuesday afternoon, and we can go from there. And there you have it. This should give back a ton of time to the salespeople so they can get back to doing what they do best, which is making connections and removing all that tedious work and giving all that time back. Thank you.